Dear students, today we are going to learn how to write speech. Speech writing and delivering a speech are important skills. Remember the following steps while writing a speech: greeting and salutation. At first, we greet the listeners by using words like honorable, respected, dear, etc. Introductory para. In this paragraph, we introduce the topic in brief. Main body. Here, we give information in detail. We may use quotations and poetic lines to make our speech more decorative. Concluding para. In this paragraph, we express thanks to the organizers and listeners. Let's learn some examples of speech writing. Prepare a short speech in about 120 words to be delivered before your class on blood donation. Now you have to deliver a speech on the topic of blood donation before your class. Now see the answer. Respected teacher and friends, our culture tells us to donate. We donate a lot of things. I think blood donation is life donation. Accident victims, patients undergoing surgery, and many sick people need blood. Do you know who can donate blood? Any physically fit person between 18 and 45 years can donate blood 3 to 4 times in a year. Blood donation does not make the donor weak. Our body makes new blood within a few weeks. Friends, many people die due to lack of blood. Don't you want to save their lives? You can save their lives. You can do it. So come forward and donate blood. It is an opportunity for us to do something for our brothers and sisters. The blood receivers will bless you. So today we will donate blood for the cause of humanity. Thank you very much. Now see another example. Your college NCC unit has undertaken a cleanliness drive in your town. Prepare a speech that you would give as an NCC captain. You can use the following points. Now, here you have to deliver a speech on a cleanliness drive. You are captain of your NCC team. Now, see the points. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Need or importance of cleanliness. Effects of unhygienic conditions, diseases, pollution, etc. Suggestions and concluding the speech. Now you have to given 4 points. With the help of these points, we prepare a short speech. Now see the answer. Honorable principal, respected teachers and friends. As an NCC captain of our college, I am very pleased to inform you that our college has undertaken a cleanliness drive in our town from January 26th to 2nd February. In this week, we have to do two important things. Number one, we will clean our entire town, and also we will create awareness among people for cleanliness. Friends, you know that cleanliness is godliness. Clean and green towns are the beautiful places to live. We can live healthy and happy life if our surrounding is clean. Many dangerous diseases like typhoid, malaria, cholera and flu are spreading in our town due to the unhygienic conditions. We must clean our houses, surrounding streets and public places. It is there that prevention is better than cure. So, be a part of this cleanliness drive. Remember, we have to create clean and green town. We will do it. Thank you very much. Now see the next example. All over the world, there is a growing awareness about the problem of climate change. Your college is observing Earth Day on April 22nd. Draft a speech in about 120 words to be delivered before your college students on the need to support the cause. We observe the Earth Day on April 22nd. On this occasion, you have to deliver a speech for the protection of environment and on the topic of climate change. Now on this topic, we prepare speech. See the answer. Respected principal, teachers and dear friends. Today is April 22nd and we are observing the Earth Day. I think every day is the Earth Day. Imagine a day without the Earth. We can't imagine it. Yet, we have some time to save the environment and to protect the Mother Earth. Who is responsible for the degradation of environment? Nowadays, everything on the earth is polluted. It is our responsibility to protect the environment. Forests are cut down and rivers are polluted. Temperature has been increasing because of human activities. So, there is change in our regional climate. We have to face many diseases and disasters in future because of climate change. Friends, we must follow the eco-friendly lifestyle. We may live happy and healthy life without disturbing nature. I appeal to do some easy and simple activities like keep your surrounding clean, avoid any kind of pollution, save water, plant trees, etc. I conclude my speech by quoting one line: obey nature to be her master. Thank you. Prepare a short speech in about 120 words to be delivered before your class on say no to junk food. Tell the class to prefer organic food over junk food. Now, here you have to prepare a speech on bad effects of junk food or bakery products. You have to appeal to the class to prefer organic food. Now, on this topic, we prepare a short speech. See the answer. Respected teacher and friends, we are running after progress. We have changed our lifestyle and eating habits. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are used by farmers. Such crops are not good for our health. We eat biscuits, breads, and other such bakery products, which are very dangerous to our health, to our digestive system. Unhealthy diet is the root cause of our physical and psychological problems. Friends, we must avoid junk food. Say no to junk food and say yes to organic food. Remember, junk food is a sweet poison. You know, health is wealth. If you want to live fit and fine, you must say goodbye to junk food. Prefer organic food to live healthy and long life. Thank you very much for listening my speech. Now see another example. Prepare a short speech in about 120 words to be delivered before your class on importance of education. Now here we have to prepare a speech on the topic of importance of education. See the answer. Friends, a man without education is like a building without foundation. Education is important for everyone. It is a process of achieving knowledge, values, skills, beliefs, and moral habits. Education is light. We have made progress because of education. We may say that education is progress. Education leads man into the open world. Educated people acquire more knowledge and more skills. They have more opportunities to live a life of their choice. They are better citizens and good decision makers. Some children cannot get education because of their socio-economic problems. We should help them through NGOs working in this field. The government has been running many literacy programs. It is our duty to cooperate the government in this process. All developed countries are well educated. Education is the right path to make India great and powerful. Let's make India a powerful nation by educating our children and adults. Knowledge is power. Thank you. See the last example of speech writing. Prepare a short speech in about 120 words to be delivered before your class on duties of an ideal citizen. Now, here you have to prepare a speech on the topic of duties of an ideal citizen. See the answer. Honorable principal, respected teachers, and dear friends. Today, we are going to celebrate the Republic Day. On this occasion, I would like to express my views on the topic duties of an ideal citizen. Ideal citizens are the true wealth of a nation. Thousands of people fought against the British rule, so we have been enjoying these days of freedom. We must know our rights and our responsibilities. An ideal citizen always remains honest, obeys the laws, and pays taxes. An ideal citizen always thinks that nation first. Ideal citizens are the pillars of our nation. They make India a strong and powerful nation. I shall always try to be an ideal citizen. I also appeal to all of you to be ideal citizens in future. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to talk to you. Jai Hind. Dear students, practice more examples to get good marks in the examination. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.